Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you go to fan timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here, that the daily candle here, it's finished here, and it finished like how us we accepted exactly here. Look at it. But here the Bitcoin now, it gave us here in the daily a new price action. If you remember it, look at it. It gave us here a very clear flag here in the daily. Look at it. I want to teach you how to trade it. But another thing here before we reach into that level, what else we said before here at that level, we said we got here an inside bar, that green candle here, and that inside bar now is getting broke here. So for the people that enter in short, use stop loss and put stop loss here in that level here in the top here. That if you enter in short, that one the first scenario. The second scenario I just show it to you now. Look what we got here in the daily. We show it to you for pictures to get more clear to you and to know what else we're talking about. Look with me here. What you got here now. You connecting those dots and that one here. It's a very clear flag here in the daily as you see it. Just need to close it from here and to put your symbol and you got a flag of your own country. So that one, how else we trade it, I've been teaching you that one thousands of times. If we're breaking down here, that level here of the flag here, also we are going to enter short and the take profit need to be down here at that level here. That for the people they using margin or leverage. For people they don't, if it's breaking down here, also we are going to wait it here at 19,700. Then after that we're going to buy again. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, that one to come to touch here because that candle will finish today, just the candle of Monday. You remember those things what I've been teaching you thousands of times. If that one came up breaking above here in that level here, as you see it here, where it needs to be the take profit for that one, we bring in that line here, that one here or that stick of the flag, and we came and we do it like that. Look with me. If it's breaking here, also we are going to go to 44k, guys. So that the reply for someone, he asked me, he doesn't think maybe there is a correction. So look at it. Very simple now. If we break in here, that level here, that one here, you enter short. If we break in that level here, that one here, you enter long. If you enter short, where is the take profit of you? The take profit, it needs to be here. That's for the short. For the long, is over here in that level. Everything is very simple, guys. There is nothing complicated. So now what role you do here? I'm talking here about long-term investors. You need to wait. That's it. Also, we show you, we got here a very clear divergence here. We show it to you. And I saw some people they saying we got here a head and shoulder. Look at it. Even that one it's possible. But now also we don't need to care about that head and shoulder here. Also we need to care here about that one here. About that flag I just show you now here. Because that one is the most closest one to the price action where we are us. If it's breaking down here, we need to enter short. If it's breaking above here, we need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for today, as you see it. We don't got something special here. Just the building permit for USA. And if you haven't watched yesterday's video, go back and watch it. The yesterday video explained all the week. But for today, we just got here the building permit of USA. So there is nothing major here. Plus here, our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us here. All US stocks, they are green today and the closing green. They are against the Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is red, it's closing the day red. And US stocks, they closing green. That's something not right, guys. Remember that. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to go up all the week and US stocks they are going to fall down all the week. I just give you all the scenarios so you be focused about that. Everything is too clear. And here is our friend the VIX. Today also we are below 17. Also we are 16.95. The VIX is telling us is scarness is very, 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 very low. Look at it. Very low scarness. We are 16, below than 20. The US market is going to take off very soon. So for long-term investors in US stocks, try to DCA, try to buy slowly, buy slowly. If you buy from high, just try to buy. And here, US dollar, even that one is closing green. That way we saw the Bitcoin is falling down. But all that just for today, Monday. People, they've been with me. I've been talking about that Monday candle thousands of times. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. What else we said here? You can find that Saturday, Sunday videos. What else we said here? We said we got here a very clear flag. Yes or no? That flag is getting broke. Look at it. It's getting broke here. What should you do now? People, they enter from here. Now them, they are in profit. What stop lose here? And you wait in the target, which is down here. Yes or no? For people, they haven't entered. What else we said? We came here to that low here and we draw in here a line or a trend line like that. And here we came and we draw in here a trend line like that. We said we got here a very, very, very clear wage. Did we break in that wage? Not yet. Look at it. Also, we are in the lower of it. If we break it, also we are going to fall down till here. Till that level here. At 24k, say it like that. 24k. Should we enter short? People, they enter short from that flag. Now they are in profit. Try to protect yourself. People, they enter short. Try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you. People, they haven't entered. You waiting here, that break here to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. That for the people they use a leverage and margin. For people they trade in with spot, you waiting the correction to happen till down here and you try to buy again. But don't just buy. We need to wait in the price action for us to enter long. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, you remember what else we're saying here? We're saying we got here a very, very, very clear divergence here in the 4 hours. You can find all that in the last videos. And we said here we got the trend line here. It's getting broke. Look at it. So here it's breaking the trend line here. It enter here to the zone where is the bears they controlling. And the price action we got in the chart is getting broke. What that indicating? It indicating the Bitcoin, it's enter to a bear run. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. And if you remember in yesterday video, in Saturday, we've been talking about that break here and we're telling you to enter short from 30 minutes. You can go back and watch 30 minutes of yesterday video and you're going to find all that there. Now what shall we do now here? Also we enter here to the bear market. That's it. For people they haven't entered, you waiting that wage to get broke for you to enter again. For conservative people, you waiting the Bitcoin to enter here to the oversold area and to give us a price action like how it gave it to us here. Then us we're going to enter long again. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember what else we've been saying here? We've been here at the overbought area for some time now. And I told you we got here a flag here, very clear flag. That flag is getting broke here now. People, they enter short, now they are in profit. Our indicator here, what is telling us? Look with me here, something very, very, very important here. Look at that level where we are. Now, look at it. It's a support here. Every time we touch it, we bounce from it. And also we are here in our indicator in that level here again. Should we buy? Not yet. We need a price action. The only price action you can make there is a trend line like that. You came to that one here and that one here. If that one came and breaking above here, yes, you can enter long again. Also, we don't care where the market is going. Also, we just give you free signals here. Everything is too clear. So now look with me here. I'm going to explain it a little bit more. You came to your chart, you came to that peak, that one here and that one here, and you draw in there a trend line like that. Very simple trend line like that, and you waiting. If the market came and breaking above here, enter long again, because you are down here in that indicator of us in a level. Every time it used to touch it, it used to bounce from it. Look at it. We touch it here, we bounce. We touch it here, we bounce. Now us, we are in the same level here. Maybe from here we're going to see another bounce, guys. That's why me I told you we draw in here the trend line here, that one here, and we're waiting the break to happen here. That for the long. For the short, what else we said here? We said we came to that level here and we draw in here a trend line like that, and we're waiting the break to happen down here for us to enter short again, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, did you smash the like button? And no you don't. Pause the video now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment, support us guys. Also we give you very highly accurate analysis, and now majority of the big channels they came to copying from us. So please support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us. As us we give you free analysis, you support us by just smashing that like button. You done it? Thank you very much my friend. So as you see here, in 30 minutes what else we said here. People they been with us is Saturday, Sunday, what else we said here. We said here, we came to that low here, that one here, and that one here. And we're drawing a trend line like that. Yes or no? And in the top we said we are, here we got a symmetric triangle. You can find it even in the picture of the video of Saturday. Look at it, it's getting broke here. Where me I told you to take profit. In the last video I told you to take profit, it needs to be here. It's bring the take profit. Yes, 100%. Now here at 30 minutes, what should we do here? Over here at 30 minutes, look with me here, what you got now. You got here like a small flag here or a small down channel. Should you enter long here in 30 minutes? You waiting the break to happen here. If it came the market and breaking here, that one here, maybe you can enter long, but now there is no entry long. Over here it's showing the market is still falling down because us in the daily, us we are in the lower of that flag, but in 4 hours us we breaking the flag, but us we are in the lower of that wage. So we are here in 30 minutes it's showing to us we are falling down. What should we do? We waiting. If we breaking above here, that one is the same trend line as showing in the 4 hours. If we came here and we breaking above here, enter long guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area as you see it. So do you enter short again? People they enter short, they enter from here. Now them they are in nice profit now. For you to enter long again, there is no price action. The only price action I just show you here is that one. That trend line here. It's need that one to come to break here for you to enter long again. We don't break in here, that level here, there is no entry long. Actually now, me I think the Bitcoin is going to fall down to the 24k. That's why me I told you, us we wait in that correction and we try to enter from it long again. Everything is too clear guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video. Bye for now guys.